Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Checking out these valve stem covers. I got them for my truck here. These are octagonal. Get a little closer look for you guys. Right there, it's pretty sweet. Anyways, you can come in different colors. I got the orange ones here. We'll go put them on the truck and see how they look. All right, well, here's kind of the before. And we got these ones on there, look just kind of drab, you know, just like a gray blah color on there. We'll put these ones on there and yeah, actually looks pretty cool there, I think. So anyways, let's get a little bit closer view here. But definitely looks a lot better. I don't know, that gray one just kind of doesn't really stick out. This one's probably a lot more durable. It's like a metal and screws on nice and tight. It does have that octagonal shape on there, so you can tighten it up pretty good and hopefully people won't take them. Anyway, it's pretty sweet looking. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time.